In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy trade on Bullx Neo. Now, there's actually multiple different approaches that we can go ahead and use, but what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to go ahead and look for a particular asset, and I'm going to look for someone who bought a lot of that asset or like a specific address, and we're going to go ahead and copy trade from there. So let's say, for example, we're trying to go ahead and copy trade someone who did a purchase order. I will go ahead and select on order like so. Obviously, you can go ahead and use any other asset. Just for this video, I'm just going to go ahead and track someone who did purchase order. So what I would do is I would go over here to where it says holders, and then over here it is going to showcase basically everyone who did purchase order. And all we need to do is we need to go ahead and locate for the individual that we want to go ahead and copy trade. So let's just say, for example, we wanted to copy trade this wallet over here. What we need to do is we need to go ahead and just click on it like so. And then we need to go ahead and just copy their wallet address from here. Now, this is just a random wallet that I did find. Obviously, you want to go ahead and find a really high quality wallet that is going to bring you results. So in this menu, it will give you the trading activity right over here. It'll give you the total spent, total revenue, unrealized P&L, and realized P&L. And then you guys can go ahead and take a look at the trade history, most profitable, active positions, or deployed tokens. So there's a lot of great options over here. And basically, you want to go ahead and analyze all that and see if it aligns with your goals. But once you're done with that, we can move on to the next step. The next thing you want to do is you want to use an external bot such as Trojan or Cielo right over here, and this is basically going to allow us to copy trade. So this is Trojan right over here. I'm going to be linking it in the description down below, but all you need to do is you need to press on this button that does say launch Telegram bot, because this is a bot that will work on Telegram. So I'm just going to be selecting on that. Then I'm going to press on open Telegram PC. Then we're going to get a menu that looks like this. The first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you do connect your wallet to Trojan. Trojan is a free bot. It will allow you to go ahead and copy trade and snipe and all that good stuff. So I already did add my wallet over here. So once we went ahead and connected our wallet, we need to go ahead and press on this button that does say copy trade like so. And then all you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on new. So then it's also going to tell you what wallet it's going to be using in order to actually copy trade. So yeah, this is the wallet. And then it's going to say copy trade allows you to copy the buys and sells of any target wallet. So go ahead and just press on new like so. And from here, you guys can go ahead and add the wallet. So we do have the option over here that does say tag. So you can assign a unique name or tag to your target wallet. So let's go ahead and do that really quickly. Enter a custom name. So I'm just going to be calling it test video like so. And then what we're going to be doing is we're going to go ahead and select on target wallet, which is the next option. And from here, we need to enter in the target wallet address to copy trade. So again, you want to basically paste in the address that we did copy, from Bullx Neo. So go ahead and just enter that in like so. Then you want to go ahead and select on the percentage, the gas, the copy cells, and the sell gas as well. You guys could also go ahead and fiddle around with the slippage over here. And we also do have more advanced features that you guys can go ahead and take a look at. And you guys can toggle on and off auto sell. But basically, once you're done with that, all you want to do is you want to select on add. And then there you go. We are now copy trading the wallet, but at any point in time, we can go ahead and just select on it like so. And we can go ahead and either duplicate it or deactivate it or even delete it as well. Or you guys can go ahead and adjust the settings from here. So there's a lot of great features that Trojan has to offer. And again, there's many other bots like Trojan. However, in my opinion, Trojan is like one of the best ones out there. So for this video, I'm just going to go ahead and delete it like so. But you guys get the idea. And that is how you're able to copy trade on Bullx Neo. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.